today and every day after, I choose you to be my husband.
I love you, my hope. I wouldn't want to be standing here with anyone else in the world but you, my wife.
Today, the day of your marriage, is just the first day of the rest of your lives together.
So let's raise our glasses to Zeke and hope. May your love be modern enough to survive times and old-fashioned enough to last forever. Cheers.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Crump.